Hi, my name is Sarah Phillips with Phillips Law, located right here in the beautiful city of New Orleans, Louisiana. We primarily practice criminal defense and personal injury, and today I want to talk about what to wear to court. This is a part of our Courtroom Confidence series where we are trying to empower you to feel comfortable going into court and, hopefully answering some questions, some tips, tricks, that kind of thing, so that whenever you go into court, because it can be very stressful, we can hopefully alleviate some of those concerns, worries, fears that you have. Now, what to wear to court? Now, let me start this off by saying, yes, I understand that we shouldn't be judging people by what they wear. And no, I'm not trying to tell you what to wear because what you're wearing is terrible or offensive or I hate it. It's not my personal opinion, okay? It doesn't matter what I think. What matters is that if you have a court case in criminal court or a personal injury case in civil court, we want you showing up your best. Now, why is that? It's because people are judging you. And I know it. Like, they maybe shouldn't, but they are, right? The judge is judging you. It's literally in the name. The district attorney is judging you. Maybe the insurance company's defense attorneys are judging you. The police are judging you. Maybe the jurors for a trial are judging you, right? A lot of people are watching you as you enter the courtroom. And it's my job, it's our job at Phillips Law as your team to make sure that you are showing up as your best self so that you get the best result. So with that being said, I don't care what you wear on Sunday morning. I don't care what you wear Saturday night. I don't care what you wear Tuesday night. But what I do care is how you show up in the courtroom, because that is going to affect your case whether you like it or not. And our job is to get you the best result. So, what to wear to court? I always say clean, simple church clothes. Now, what do I mean by that? Clean, showing up well-groomed, and clean, make sure to obviously take a shower, but more importantly, do not show up smelling like weed. I understand that weed is legal now, but believe me, nothing makes a judge happier or not as happy. A judge will be very happy to send you to drug court if you smell like weed, and they are going to take notice of that. So please don't show up smelling like weed. Also, ladies, these are very small courtrooms sometimes, so just watch it on the perfume. Just maybe don't use too much perfume, that kind of thing, because some people in the court staff and actually some of the judges don't like strong smells. Anyway, with that being said, so well clean, groomed. Make sure, men, that you've shaven as much as possible. Women, make sure not to show up with any rollers in your hair, anything like that. So now let's get into the actual clothes. And what do I mean by simple, clean church clothes? So basically anything that you would wear to church. Sometimes attorneys say business casual. Well, what does that mean, right? Business casual nowadays in 2025 can look like many things. But I say what you would want your grandmother to see you in at church on Sunday morning. So for men, that means a nice collared shirt that's, make sure to try to keep it pressed. Let's try to keep it clean, maybe get out the iron, long pants or khakis, and closed-toed shoes. So that means no shorts, no slides, no tank tops, no flip-flops. For women, this can be a blouse, a modest top. Make sure that it's not cut too low. Make sure that that you're not wearing shorts like booty shorts or a mini skirt. So, if you're wearing a dress, make sure that it hits at about your knee. And also for you, closed-toed shoes as well. That's, maybe low profile. And I know this sounds ridiculous but I have to tell clients, wear closed-toed shoes. Because some parishes, especially outer parishes, they are sticklers for this. And I know it's 2025. You may have a really cute pair of open-toed heeled shoes, but I had a client one time who had to leave and go home to get a pair of closed-toed high heel shoes. These were beautiful open-toed heels, and yet the bailiff turned her away. So I just always say it as a rule, closed-toed shoes, just so that you're not having to leave court and come back, all right? Because that's just a pain in the butt. So what do we not want to wear? You don't want to wear baggy or overly ripped jeans. You don't want to wear an overly excessively baggy t-shirt. Also with the t-shirts, simple is best whenever it comes to colors. Just think like neutral colors, kind of like what I'm wearing. I got dressed up for this video, even though it's a little tight from after Mardi Gras, but that's okay. Make sure that the t-shirts don't have any graphic language or images. I know that I can't believe I have to say this, but I've been in court where people are not my clients, not our clients, but where people are facing gun charges and they are literally wearing a t-shirt with an AK-47 on it. And I just feel really bad for their attorney. Again, what you wear on your time, that's fine. But I'm just trying to help you get the best result for your case. And whenever you're going in front of a judge with an AK-47 on your shirt and you're facing gun charges, don't know how much the judge is going to love that. So I'm just trying to get you the best result possible. And again, no hats unless it's like for religious reasons. So try to stay away from excessively casual workout clothes, that kind of thing. So, and hopefully during this video, I've showed kind of some examples. So again, if you are a current client and you have some questions about what to wear, maybe you want some approval from your attorney, go ahead and give us a call at 504-434-7000 and our receptionist will get you scheduled to talk to your attorney. You can also message us through the Clio for Clients portal messages, which we've, talked about with you before. If you are someone who doesn't have an attorney and you're thinking that, oh, this has been helpful, like maybe I need some more information, maybe I need to consider hiring an attorney, we do criminal practice and personal injury in Southeast Louisiana. If that falls under your area, then please give us a call at 504-434-7000. We'll be happy to take your call, and our sales team, our intake receptionist will help you schedule in a time to talk with an attorney, to talk about your case, to see if it's a case that we can take on. Anyway, and also you can visit our website at www.nolacriminaldefense.com. We have some great blogs on there, kind of more information. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.